Imagine driving up a winding forest road in Bavaria, with glimmers of lake water peeking through the trees, until you arrive at a house that feels both simple and surprising. Wooden House by the Lake isn't a conventional cottage. It's a sculptural composition of wooden volumes thoughtfully arranged to respond to sight, light, and family life. What at first looks like a solid form slowly reveals a rhythm of open and closed spaces, inviting curiosity before you even step inside. At its core, this home is organized around a dialogue between privacy and communal space. The architects use a series of wooden cubes to contain private rooms, creating a kind of architectural sculpture that anchors the house. These cubes act almost like furniture within the larger spatial composition, allowing the spaces between them to unfold with dramatic vertical and horizontal shifts. As a result, daylight reaches deep into the home, even during the shorter winter days, while constantly framing views of the surrounding greenery, treetops, and the lake beyond. Step through the glazed openings on the ground floor and you're immediately struck by how connected you feel to the outdoors. Floor-to-ceiling windows can slide entirely into wall pockets, blurring the line between interior and exterior. The kitchen opens fully to the terrace, creating a seamless flow that encourages everyday living, whether it's preparing a meal or watching the sunset over the lake. It's a gentle reminder of how architecture can enhance simple family rituals without drawing attention away from nature. One of the defining formal moves in the design is the roof's expansive, fan-like shape. It isn't just an aesthetic gesture, it's a response to the site's sloping terrain, giving the interior a surprising variety of ceiling heights and spatial experience. This dynamic roof form helps the house feel grounded in its setting while lending each room a distinct character, folding light and shadow into everyday moments. Materiality plays an equally important role in shaping life inside and around this house. Wood, chosen as a renewable, carbon-storing material, isn't just an exterior cladding but the structural and sensory backbone of the project. The honest use of timber, left in its natural state or clad in rhythmic wooden slats, creates warmth and texture that deepen as daylight moves throughout the day. It's a material strategy that makes the home feel alive, responsive, and intimately tied to its landscape. But sustainability here goes beyond aesthetics. By embracing a prefabricated wood construction system, the designers significantly reduced on-site assembly time, lowered overall energy demands during construction, and limited transportation impacts. This approach also simplifies maintenance and future reuse, from repairability to end-of-life recycling. It challenges us to think about architecture not as a static object, but as a long-term inhabitant of the environment. Inside, generous ceiling heights and abundant natural light create a calm, uplifting interior atmosphere. Whether you're in a private bedroom or gathered around the central living space, there's a continuity of experience. Sunlight, framed views, and the gentle grain of timber surfaces knit together the house's sensory world. It's an architectural narrative that encourages both togetherness and individual retreat without forcing either. In the end, Wooden House by the Lake teaches a powerful lesson about designing with respect for site and seasons. It's not just about beautiful composition, but about creating a place that deepens your relationship with nature and family life. The careful orchestration of light, material, and space makes you feel at home in a way that's effortless yet richly layered, the hallmark of thoughtful, enduring architecture.